Welcome to this video tutorial. You're welcome. So in this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how you can create a table using SQL commands. So let's get started. This is what has been given to us. They say create the following tables using SQL commands. We have a student table and a class table. The student table has an attribute, student ID, student name, gender, and class ID, while a class table has the attribute class ID, class, and its capacity. That's the number of students that can enter a particular class. So let's get into our software. We'll be using Microsoft Access. I'm using 2019. So you click on blank database. I will just save it as creating tables using SQL, and I'll click on create. Alright, you see an automatic table being created by the system for you, so I don't need the table, so I'll click on close. This is what appears. So what happens is that you go to create, you click on create. We need a query design, so we'll close this and I'll click here and click on SQL view, or you click SQL view here, or you still have SQL view at this end, so you can see. That's how you can just write your SQL view, or you can go to the SQL view. So we want to create a table of students. We want to create a table of students with attributes student ID, student name, gender, and class ID. So sorry. Okay, we are here. Alright, that's create. It's a student table, so I'll create table that's a student. Okay, I'll open a bracket. So now we need our student ID. I will not use capital letter, so student ID. The student ID will be of type number, and I'll set it to be our primary key. So I not know primary key. Okay. So the next we want to create is a student. That's a student name. So alright, student name. The data type will be a character, so use varchar. And then the maximum size, I'll just say 100 characters. A student name can never be more than 100 characters. So the next is a gender of the student. So I'll just write gender student. That's gender. The data type gender will be a character, so I'll use varchar. The maximum characters I'll use 50. So the next is for the class ID. The class ID. So write class ID. It will also be a varchar. I'll just put, let's say 50 characters. Then I'll close it. I use a semicolon. What you just need to do, click on run you see a table automatically being created at this and gives you student ID, the student name, the gender, and the class ID. So we are going to create another table using SQL command. Okay, it's the same procedure. You create table. The table name will be class. Then class ID will be of data type number. I want to set this class ID to my primary key, so I do not know primary key. What next I'm going to enter is for the class. So alright, class. The class, it will be a voucher. That's up seat, lower seat, and all the like. So it will be voucher. I'll take the maximum size, let's just say 50 characters. So you cannot enter more than 50 characters. So the next is capacity. So capacity is of data type. It's of data type number. So I'll close it. So you click on run. Sorry about that. So you just click on one. There's a syntax error in the field, meaning we are having error. Alright, so this needs to be out. You can see we have created our class table. So you can go ahead populating the class table with the various attributes that has been given to you. You can go ahead, you populate it with the various attributes that has been given to you. So that's just a simple way on how you can create tables using SQL commands. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Digital Alliance, and give a thumbs up and comment below if you find any difficulties, so that we'll get to you as soon as possible. Thank you.